Hi, my name is Sabine, and I have a song I'd like to share with you. It's called Flowers. The artist is Miley, Cyrus. I have a few things I'd like to say about the song. First thing is, it really tells you how to be independent, and it's okay to have help, but just not have help all the time. Then I have my process, which was like learning the chords. And then I learned melody. And I added things like singing, bass, and drums. I hope you enjoy.